Hey guys, today I have another giant K-Beauty unboxing to share with you, which of course means that I'm going to be jumping in to my Beauteque monthly unboxings. This is my favorite time of the month by far. So I do have both boxes and they are both from the month of April. Everything related to Beauteque I will go ahead and link below for you guys to check out. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump right in. So starting off with the Mask Maven box, let's go ahead and open this guy. So the theme for April was Sip Sip Hooray. So everything in the box is pretty much beverage themed, it looks like, which I assume is like perfect for summer and spring because the weather is getting hotter. So you think of cocktails and juice and things like that. And how cute is that? They created kind of like a little menu sheet of everything inside of the box. So they have coffee and tea, fresh juice, probiotics, as well as an alcoholic drink at the bottom here. So yeah, that is such a cool idea. The first one is by the company Urban Doll Kiss, and it's their Grape Juicy Mask Sheet. And it says it's lifting and bright, and obviously it looks kind of like a little jug of grapes, almost like a jug of wine. And it says that grape seed extract is rich in polyphenols. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's known to help protect the skin and help fight signs of aging. Don't you just want to like pour this all over your face and body? Like, yes, give me all the anti-aging ingredients. Jumping straight into the alcohol, this is like a beer mask. It says, I'm sorry for my skin, jelly mask revitalizing. So it says that this is a rich jelly essence that blends moisture retaining desert yucca, agave, and prickly pear with brightening grapefruit extracts for a dewy glow. So this is essentially supposed to be like a hangover mask for your skin. Like, you know how you have that one thing that you turn to when you have a hangover, whether it's Advil, whether it's Pedialyte. This is kind of like a hangover cure for your face. So yeah, I actually really like that concept. I do think I received something similar to this in the past from Mimi Box, but I remember I actually gave it away to a friend because it was their 30th birthday and I thought it would be kind of appropriate. So yeah, I'm excited to now be able to try it on my skin. Next is this coconut mask. It's by Healing Bird. It's the Ultra Moisture Coconut. So this is a really hydrating mask. I just love the scent of coconut, especially in the hotter weather. It just totally gets me in the mood for like tanning and cocktails and all those fun things. So this one I'm gonna love. Next is this giant jug. It's the Apu Fruit Vinegar Sheet Mask Lemon. I don't think I've ever heard of a fruit vinegar mask before, so this is something new to me. And it says that fruit vinegar helps maintain the natural pH balance of your skin. It also helps refine and tone uneven texture and hyperpigmentation. Next are these two masks by the company My Real Skin. There's the vitamin C, which is nourishing and firming, and then the green tea, which is brightening and relaxing. Both are packed with antioxidants, so both I'm sure are gonna do amazing things for the skin. Next is this kind of, it almost looks like a blueberry cream yogurt. Oh, okay, so that's exactly what it is. It's the Apu Real Big Yogurt 1 Bottle Blueberry. And it says it's a probiotic dairy drink known for settling your stomach after meals, now helps settle your skin. It helps support your skin's renewal process as well as overall health. I love the idea of putting probiotics in skincare. I'm actually trying to put more probiotics in my diet or be more conscious of it. So I love that there's a mask kind of focusing on that and kind of playing on the idea of probiotics for your skin, like topically. So yeah, that is really cool. Okay, coffee junkies, this one is for you. So this is the Americano mask by the company Hidden Co's. I love coffee in skincare. I really love the 100% pure coffee bean eye cream. That's one of my favorites of all time. So ever since I tried out that eye cream, I'm a diehard like coffee or caffeine person in my skincare. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out, especially during those early mornings when I really don't want to wake up. And then to leave it on a refreshing note, there's this really brightly colored cucumber slice sheet mask. And I want you guys to be able to see, this actually comes out like little cucumber slices, and you can pretty much apply them anywhere where you need like some soothing or hydration. I don't know why somebody would put it on their legs, but to each their own. So yeah, this is just a nice light refreshing mask, and I kind of love that you can customize where you want to put it on your skin, because I do have some areas that are drier and more irritated than others, so it's kind of a nice way to be able to kind of spot treat that. So that is it for the Mask Maven box. I have to say, I think this is one of my favorite Mask Mavens in a while. I've always loved every single one that I've received, but I just love the theme of this one. I feel like everything is just gonna smell so good and just gets me really excited for the hotter weather. So yeah, really happy with that guy. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the BB box. So let's open this guy up. And again, we have our little skincare menu, which I just can't get over how cute this concept is. I just love it. Like, I almost want to just put this on like my bathroom wall so I can try all these at once and just see what everything does. And it just looks like a little menu. It's just that I can't. Okay. All right, I need to calm down. And rip this guy. Ooh. The first thing is this green tea sleeping pack, and it says it brightens your skin and helps to keep it smooth. It's by the company Flower. And here is what the jar looks like. It's obviously a really bright, kind of glossy looking green. It almost kind of has like a jelly type of look to it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It has a very refreshing scent, but that is what it looks like inside. It kind of looks like hair gel, but almost like pretty much any other sleeping pack I've seen, but this one does look a little bit thicker, so I have a feeling it's gonna be especially good for irritated skin or redness. I never thought in a million years that I would call a blotting paper cute, but this is pretty damn cute. This is the Celine Vogue Green Tea Facial Oil Blotting Paper. So obviously the blotting sheets are in there, and it looks like this is kind of almost like a faux leather, well maybe like a harder plastic type of paper, and then you just pull it straight from the little kitty's mouth and use it to blot as necessary. I mean, who said oil blotting sheets had to be ugly, right? Apparently not them. This next one kind of looks like a perfume, and it's the Candy O Lady Aid Mist. It's a jelly-like mist that is thicker and more hydrating than normal facial sprays. And it looks like the two scents that they had in the boxes was either blue lemon or pink grapefruit. Not gonna lie, super happy that I got the pink grapefruit because I love grapefruit scents. I don't know if you guys have tried the new Topo Chicos, the one that's infused with grapefruit. I think it's like a limited edition for the summertime, but it is delicious and you need to try it. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it is like a thicker jelly formula. It's a very true grapefruit scent. It's nothing that's mixed with like a really sweet scent or like a floral. It's just like a true grapefruit. So it smells really good and really refreshing. And this is supposed to be used like as a facial spray. This next one is like a little mini tub of powder. It's by Apu. It's their Vitamin Toque powder. So it's a vitamin packed powder that can be blended with your favorite skincare products or to be used on its own. It says that you can mix a few dashes into your cleanser, your essence, mask, moisturizer, or sleeping pack. So I guess you just throw this in with pretty much any skincare product of your choosing, and it is infused with vitamin C. This next little guy is again by Apu, and this is the Honey and Milk Lip Oil. And it literally looks like a beautiful golden type of elixir. And it has this really nice kind of fat, chubby doe foot. So this is really good for slathering this onto your lips, and it is infused with milk for conditioning and nourishing, as well as honey for deep moisturization. You guys probably can't see it that well, but you can see it's really glossy and nourishing. This is probably not something that you could like put on right away that's gonna have a fast dry time. I imagine because it is so heavy that it's probably better as like a night treatment. I've never gone back to regular chapsticks ever since trying out lip oil, so I 100% recommend them. They're just very nourishing on the skin in general, and yeah, this one I can already tell is gonna work really, really well. So the final thing in here is by Farm Stay. It's the Green Tea Seed Moisture Emulsion. Look at how giant this is. This is why the BB box is my favorite. I love both boxes, but I mean, this is a freaking huge bottle. So again, this is infused with green tea. So it's really packed with antioxidants. It also helps reverse sun damage, and it helps firm fine lines and wrinkles. But that is it, guys, for the BB box. I can't tell you that there's a favorite because this one like many of them, just kind of knocked it out of the park. There's so many things that I could totally see myself like reaching for over the next few months. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Again, if you guys are interested in Beauteque, I will go ahead and link the website down below. If you guys do enjoy these unboxings, please give this video a like. And if you're new to my channel, definitely don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.